Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to win in merge tactics. To consistently achieve victory, you must first master the fundamental merging mechanic. Always aim to merge 3 identical units whenever possible, as this often yields a significantly stronger unit than merging just 2. Building a balanced army, incorporating both offensive and defensive units, is crucial for adapting to various challenges. Understanding each unit's unique abilities and limitations will give you a significant advantage in every match. Effective unit placement is paramount for success. Always position your robust melee units at the front to shield your more vulnerable units from incoming attacks. Ranged and support units should be placed strategically in the back, allowing them to deal damage or provide buffs without taking direct hits. Pay close attention to any special board tiles or bonuses, as these can significantly amplify your unit's effectiveness. Combining units with complementary abilities creates devastating synergies, overwhelming your opponents. Winning consistently requires astute resource management. It is vital to conserve your gold and mana, deploying them strategically for crucial unit upgrades rather than impulsive purchases. Prioritize investing in early-game resource generation to establish a strong economic foundation, allowing for faster progression. Focus on upgrading your core units to their highest tiers as quickly as possible, as this provides a substantial power spike. Always balance acquiring new units with enhancing your existing, proven forces. To truly win every time, you must master advanced tactics and adaptability. Constantly observe your opponent's unit compositions and anticipate their moves, allowing you to build effective counters. Be prepared to adjust your merging strategy on the fly, responding to changes in the battlefield. Deploying special abilities and spells at precisely the right moment can turn the tide of any battle. Consistent practice will sharpen your instincts and decision-making, ensuring you are always one step ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.